Hi and welcome to Eden. I'm Kenneth. Now, we felt that with the protocol defining global state changes that are looming, it would be a good time to provide a community with a breakdown of the current subnets within the ecosystem. Now, this will empower you to support the validators that align with your perspectives. Now, the global stake update changes how resources are allocated. And by the end of this video, you will know what projects are being worked on, and you will be able to determine which you think deserve your support. The global state change will bring about two new system subnets, the rootnet and the treasury subnet. Now, these two subnets will take the net UIDs of 0 and 1, causing a slight shift in the network's UIDs. As such, some subnets may have their UIDs changed once this goes live, as they may be shifted down a slot or two. Subnet 0 will remain the way it has since the implementation of UMA consensus, acting as a staging ground for unbound generality, allowing modules and validators that can't be directly validated without human input. Subnet 0 gives them a place to stage themselves and receive support. Now, the new rootnet will handle the current emissions from Subnet 0, either recycling them or allocating them to the treasury. Now, it is almost definitely the case that emissions directed towards Subnet 0 will be significantly reduced. Therefore, the majority of our attention will be focused on the other subnets being worked on, which is the focus of the global stake update anyway. Let's start with the Synthia Subnet, a cutting-edge initiative from the team behind Commune AI. Now, Synthia's focus is on synthetic data generation and validation, utilizing high-quality APIs like Anthropic Claude 3 to produce a continuous stream of detailed, varied synthetic data. Now, when data is generated from these APIs, it gets stored for AI use, ensuring a constant supply of high-quality data. Now, Synthia's goal is to enhance AI development by providing a rich source of synthetic data. This is essentially useful in fields like healthcare and finance, where real data can be sensitive and hard to come by. Now, this approach not only speeds up AI training, but it also helps create more accurate and reliable AI models. Next, let's talk about the Mosaic Subnet. Now, Mosaic is an open platform for generative AI that turns text prompts into images, using AI models to bring your descriptions to life. Now, the Mosaic Subnet operates on two levels: user-submitted prompts and a dataset-driven prompt. Now, this ensures continuous improvement and availability of tasks for miners and validators. Recently, Mosaic introduced the Magic Prompt feature, which fine-tunes user inputs to create higher quality images. And they also implemented the Magic Model feature. Now, this feature matches the best model to your text inputs. These enhancements make Mosaic a powerful tool for anyone interested in generating high-quality images from text. Now, let's take a look at the Market Compass Subnet. Market Compass is designed to provide insights and analytics for the crypto and financial market, utilizing AI and big data to predict and analyze market sentiment and predict trends. Now, at its core, Market Compass gathers real-time data from X. Now, this data is crucial to understanding market dynamics and making informed investment decisions. Now, after all, the latest and most relevant crypto news surfaces on X first. Market Compass operates by creating queries to access the X API, targeting market-related topics. Now, these queries are distributed to miners within the subnet every minute, just before each voting cycle. Market Compass envisions a future where data is democratized, giving every investor the power to harness market intelligence for informed decision-making. Let's explore the Eden Subnet. This subnet, created by us at Eden, focuses on the collation of embeddings and the formulation of a vector store. And with the largest number of miner slots and almost no downtime, we are really proud of the ease of use and the accessibility of our subnet. At the heart of the Eden Subnet is the vector store. Now, it takes text from various sources like PDFs, markdown files, or just plain text files, and turns them into embeddings, which is basically strings of numbers. It takes them and stores them for AIs to use later. Now, this is super important for enhancing AI interactions, because it allows AIs to quickly retrieve and use relevant information. Vector stores play a crucial role in the augmenting of abilities and the knowledge base of existing AI models. They make it easier and faster for AI to access and use data efficiently. Miners, known as embedding miners, generate these embeddings, ensuring the vector store is populated with high-quality data. Now, these miners are rewarded based on the quality of their contributions. Our vector store will continue to evolve, integrating domain-specific knowledge stores and potentially collaborating with our subnets in the future. Now, let's talk about the OpenScope Subnet, which combines decentralized AI with cryptocurrency trading. Now, OpenScope uses 0xScope's comprehensive cryptocurrency event dataset to train advanced AI models for predicting price movements with high accuracy. Now, they collect data from various sources like on-chain data, technical analysis, and news events. This data is used by miners to develop AI models that predict potential price movements. The subnet operates in phases. Now, phase 1, miners send cryptocurrency trades based on live token events. Now, these trades are evaluated and scored based on their performance. Phase 2, all the trades from miners should now come directly from AI models, making the process more automated and efficient. Phase 3, miners will update their modules in each cycle, and the validators will directly evaluate the AI model's performance through a set of standards. Now, OpenScope aims to harness the collective intelligence of decentralized AI to create highly accurate trading strategies, making it a powerful tool for cryptocurrency traders. Next, it's the ComChat Subnet. That is also the engine behind the ComChat app. Now, this app focuses on delivering tailored AI interactions with a powerful user experience. Now, when you submit a prompt in the ComChat app, it's sent to the ComChat Subnet. The subnet selects the best miner from a range of AI services, ensuring that you get the highest quality response. ComChat offers many different features to enhance your interactions. You can switch between over 100 different AI models, enjoy a user-friendly interface designed for productivity, and keep your chats private since they are stored in your own browser. One of the standout features is its ability to engage with diverse AI experts, even including new ones from YouTube videos. Plus, you can use commands like React for multi-step reasoning, Imagine to create images, and Browse to read web pages. Now, looking ahead, the ComChat Subnet plans to integrate more AI services and enable multimodality, enhancing the platform's capabilities. They will also help improve the user interfaces for other Commune AI subnets like Mosaic and Synthia. With ComChat, you get a powerful, private, and versatile AI experience tailored to your needs. Now let's explore the Zangief Subnet. Zangief, that is also one of the characters in one of my favorite games, Street Fighter, and apparently is the favorite character of one of the devs. Interesting. Now, this subnet is dedicated to language translation, aiming to support dozens of different languages, communication styles, and specific areas of expertise. The Zangief Subnet works by having validators generate source material to be translated, which is passed to miners. Miners run web services that respond to the source input with high-quality translations. Over time, the validators curate these translations and create an open-source dataset. This dataset can be used to train models, or for example provide translations for subtitles or other online media. Validators ensure the quality of translations, measuring how well the meaning is preserved and the semantic similarities between the source and the translated text. Now, looking ahead, it looks like Zangief has a lot of plans. I would keep an eye on them. Let's take a look at the Nya Subnet, a compute subnet created by Nakamoto Mining. Now, this project is all about democratizing AI research and development. Training models like ChatGPT can cost around $300 million over their development cycle, and they require huge data centers. Nya aims to change that by creating a decentralized network similar to Folding at Home, which leverages the collective computing power to train large models. In the Nya Subnet, miners complete machine learning tasks instead of solving cryptographic puzzles like in Bitcoin mining. The results are validated for correctness, and rewards are distributed based on the amount of computations performed by each miner. Miners use a pre-trained model and a massive dataset. The outputs from these tasks are released at a regular interval to the public, helping reduce the future training costs and enhance AI development. Their approach makes AI research more accessible, It's all about lowering barriers and democratizing access to cutting-edge AI technologies. Let's wrap up with the Kaiwa Subnet, designed to simplify running, fine-tuning and deploying AI models. It provides a user-friendly API, making it easy to integrate AI models with minimal coding and flexible hardware resources. Now, one of the major benefits is cost efficiency. GPUs can be really expensive, and by leveraging the computing power of Commune AI, it offers AI model inference services that significantly reduce the barrier of entry for AI app developers. It ensures accurate model task execution through a vigorous validation process, guaranteeing consistent and accurate outputs. Kaiwa is now connected to additional Subnets datasets, including the latest Synthia dataset, enhancing data exchange and interoperability between subnets. The goal is to make AI development accessible and efficient, empowering developers to create and deploy powerful AI models with ease. As we wrap up, let's quickly highlight some exciting projects within the Commune AI system before we leave. First, ComSci. Now, using their unique ComSci score, this project ranks scientific papers based on relevance, recency, and author reputation, ensuring fair exposure for new research. Next, ComStats. Now, why the good guys over at ComStats aren't planning to have their own subnet, the team is actively incubating and supporting new subnets. Now, here are a few that they are working on. The meme subnet, incentivizing memes based on virality score. The Nya Subnet, creating crypto trading models ranked by profit score. And the Bulletin Subnet, creating news models with a social score. This scoring system is pretty cool. Well, that's all for today. And remember, stake your tokens to trusted validators to support the projects that you care about. Okay? Until next time, stay wonderful, people. Peace.